Most people get this wrong when they sign up for travel credit cards. They focus only on rewards and completely ignore how hard it is to actually redeem them. And that's where the Priceline VIP Rewards Visa can surprise you in a good or bad way. Here's the truth no one tells you. A travel card is only valuable if the rewards match how you already book trips. So in this review, you'll learn exactly how this card works, what you can realistically earn, and whether it still makes sense in 2026 compared to other travel cards. Let's start with the basics. The Priceline VIP Rewards Visa is built for people who book hotels, flights, and rental cars through Priceline. You earn higher points on Priceline purchases and lower rewards on everything else. So right away, here's the key question. Do you actually use Priceline often? Because if the answer is no, the value drops fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. The card can feel very rewarding at first, because the points stack up quickly on travel bookings. For example, someone like Jake booking a weekend hotel might see solid cashback-style rewards appear fast. But the problem is outside of Priceline. Everyday spending usually earns much less compared to other travel cards on the market. This is where most people get disappointed. They assume travel cards work everywhere equally, but this one is heavily ecosystem-based. If you're loyal to Priceline, it can feel powerful. If you're not, it can feel limited. Now let's talk about fees and long-term value. There is no strong premium travel perk system like airport lounge access or elite hotel upgrades. So if you're looking for luxury travel benefits, this card won't really compete with higher tier options. But here's the upside. It's simple, easy to use, and doesn't require complex point transfers or travel hacking strategies. In a minute, here's the easiest way to decide if it's worth it. If you book most of your trips through Priceline anyway, this card can give you solid, straightforward rewards without effort. But if you like flexibility, better redemption options, or travel outside Priceline deals, you may outgrow it quickly. So here's the bottom line. The Priceline VIP Rewards Visa is good for casual Priceline users who want simple rewards. But it is not the best all-around travel card for maximizing value in 2026. If this helped you understand it clearly, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest credit card breakdowns.